Welcome to a short introduction to wallets. Please note, not all features are available on all Soldo plans. You can use wallets as a funding source to organise money. Make them available to different people and teams as you choose. There are different types of wallets: main wallets, company wallets, user wallets, and reserved wallets. This video explains the differences and how you can use them. Main wallets. Your main wallet is where your funds are held when you deposit money into your Soldo account. If your business spends in different currencies, you can organise these with different main wallets. To reduce admin or create a simple account structure, you can set up all or some of your cards to draw funds directly from your main wallet. Company wallets. Create company wallets to organise and allocate funds. Company wallets can be set up for teams, projects, or types of spend. User wallets. Set up individual wallets so that specific users can access and use certain funds. This gives you maximum control and visibility over individual spending. Reserved wallets. These allow you to allocate ring-fenced funds to a specific employee or company card. Which gives you more control over exactly who spends what. Creating a new wallet. Here's how to create a new wallet. Log in to your web console. Click on Wallets on the left-hand menu. Choose the type of wallet you want to create. Click on Create Wallet. And save. Need more help with managing users and cards? You can learn more about every Soldo feature and how to use them at support.soldo.com.